God damn. And RX 100 out here is a rare sight. That is a very insanely powerful machine. That is an insanely powerful machine. Okay, if you don't want to go right, please don't board the right turn. Okay. We barely crossed that turn. We literally barely crossed that turn. We just made it. Also, I am shooting this vlog kind of late today. And it's mainly because I did spend some more time in my office today. Uh, it's one of those days. You can't do much. It's one of those days. And the weather today is good. I just really hope it doesn't rain because if it does, I won't be able to go to the gym. Please don't rain because it looks highly possible that it's gonna rain today. It looks very highly possible, very highly likely. I just hope it doesn't rain. Yeah. I wanna take this left. I'm gonna try and squeeze myself here because okay, let me squeeze myself. Please. Yeah. Got it. Got it. Got it. Why is it so much traffic today? But there was something strange about today. There definitely was something strange. There were a lot of people in my office today, and that many people is a very rare sight. Like, did the whole company think of coming on a Wednesday? Did they? And why is there so much traffic today as well? On the roads as well. Although I can never be not impressed by this touch of the road. My favorite part of. Why does this guy have his blinkers on? Why? Hey, what's the point? Why? Buddy? Why? Why do you have your blinkers on? Yeah, well, back to what I was saying is, the weather out here is so good on this particular stretch. मतलब यहाँ ठंडा भी है, प्लस यहाँ ट्रैफिक तो नहीं बोलूँगा क्योंकि it is a lot of traffic today, a very lot of traffic. A very lot, is that even a word? Is that even a sentence? Come on, side. Do better. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. It's all about the game of intimidation. You gotta learn that to live and drive on Indian roads. It's all about how strong your game is. It's all about that. Would they mind if I squeeze in front of them? I hope they won't mind. People are gonna turn up though. We need to give them space as well, please. Please, my fellow gentlemen and gentlewomen, please. I insist, give them space as well. Please. Not going there. No. I'm not interested in going there. I don't want to be splashed with water all over. I agree. I'm not at the very right place on this road as well. Literally nowhere but in the middle. But I'm pretty sure this lane is moving. It shouldn't be a problem that much. Shouldn't be an office. Yeah, by the way, this is the office that I was showing you in the first vlog. And this office is very good. Like, I know it's nothing different from the offices that we already have. It's kind of similar, but it just looks good. It just looks good. I need to take a ride down here. Traffic police is all over this place. They have to. This place is quite crowded at this time majorly because of the amount of offices that are on this route. Like if you turn a left from that shop, you are literally into one of the common zones. So yeah, it's quite trafficy over there. When I drive on, when I sincerely drive on any of the roads that have such a good stretch, all I think in my mind is उड़े उड़े आसमां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे. Like, ignore my weird ass singing for a while, but you get the emotion, right? You get the emotion. I hope you get the emotion. दिल के जहां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे. देखो मेरे को गाली मत देना प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में. Yeah, yeah. There's no traffic guy today here. Is there? Oh yes. Oh yes. Am I the chosen one? Tell me, am I the chosen one? Well, I literally just appeared on the crossing, and that guy was like, "आजा, आजा, तू आजा, तू आजा, तू आजा, तू आ ही रहा है, तू आ ही जा." Am I the chosen one? God damn. I mean, the best time to be in Pune is somewhere around this time because you have a lot of festivals right now, and all the festivals are so good. I I like Pune. I personally like Pune a lot during Ganesh Chaturthi. I mean, it is so lively, and so is right now because this is kind of the time when Navratri starts over here, and there are a lot of people that. Well, India is so vast. I've seen this for a long time now कि इंडिया इतना इतना बड़ा है, इंडिया इतना कल्चर रिच है कि nearly every person out here is celebrating festivals in the right spirit, in the right mind. But even though they have a shared perspective of all the festivals, उनका celebrate करने का तरीका is also unique, and this is what I love about India. I mean, if you kind of follow what I am aiming at, is that कितने लोग यहाँ पर इंडिया में दिवाली सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, दीपावली टू बी वेरी प्रिसाइज. और I've seen different ways of celebrating दीपावली out here, और मुझे इतना अच्छा लगता है. I mean, like wow यार. और हर बंदे का कल्चर देख के और तरीका देख के I'm like, wow, this is the whole point. Why India is so diverse. Now, my sincere request: if you can't drive on roads like this with a car, don't bring your car over here. Please use the main road. Come on, guys, use the main road. You're unnecessarily holding traffic for the people that are commuting via two wheelers. There's no actual point. Like, the road out here is so thin. I mean, there's barely enough space for two cars to fit. For a car and a motorcycle, there's barely enough space for a car and a motorcycle to fit. Why do you have to bring a car over here? Why? Come on, please. No offense to this guy. I'll just say this guy is this is a taxi. So I'm pretty sure he is just taking wherever his map is taking him to. But still, if you ever feel like you own a car, you own a four-wheeler, a thing that should be on the main road, it should be on the main road. Please take it on the main road. Sincere request to everyone. Such a good weather today, man. Such a good weather. Such a good weather. Nice is the word for it. So that is actually all for this vlog. Kinda a very small one this time. So this is it. I'll call it a vlog. See you guys soon.